I just spent the last hour
with this car right here. This is a 2017 Honda Accord from Highline Group. This one is a barn find. Yeah, you read the thumbnail right. It's a barn find. 12,000 miles. Let's go around it and take a really great look at something that is so exciting to own. You've heard the expression, a little old woman drove this car. Well, this is the truth. This is a 2017, like I said, with only 12,000 miles. Look at these rims. The rims are perfect. I looked at all four. I didn't see a scratch on them. Look at the interior, the beautiful double stitching, beautiful leather, carbon fiber right here, carbon fiber on the door. You've got your heated seats. Everything here is finished off in piano black and there's no scratches. You go inside, this comes out. You've got a power outlet down there. You've got another power outlet. You've got a little storage area with your USB port, really well laid out, nice buttons, nice glove box. And the back seat is just as nice and it's super roomy. This only has 12,643 miles on it. It's a 2017 Honda Accord Sport. It's really nice. It has the 2.5 liter inline six. It is super nice. Let's get in. Back here, you have a ton of room for your passengers. You have a little cup holder. And look how much room you have. Trunk, how well taken care of is this car? Look at this. WeatherTech liner underneath is brand new. Look how big this is. You can fit easily 3 sets of golf clubs in here. Obviously, your regular door controls, power seat with the lumbar. Look how nice these leather seats are bolstered. You have your economy mode right here. Look how beautiful this is. I love the analog look of the dash. Starting it up. All analog buttons for your climate control, analog buttons for your infotainment system, including a CD. Doesn't come with one in there though. There's your display. You can change up everything over there, which is super nice. All of your settings are right here. Change all your vehicle settings. Press this right here. It tells you what the vehicle settings are. You can set everything up. It's super nice. I gotta tell you, for a barn find, this is pretty darn good.
Look how clean this engine is. It's absolutely amazing. It's spotless. Again, 12,000 miles, you don't expect much, but this just looks like it was stored in a bubble somewhere. It looks absolutely amazing.
First impressions, driving the 2017 Honda Accord Sport. This one is a barn find, as I mentioned. It's only got 12,000 miles on it. For a 9-year-old car, 12,600 miles. This thing was garaged its entire life. It was babied. And I love the Honda Accord. I think I always have. It's just one of those really great economy cars, but yet roomy enough to kind of give you that feeling of comfort and enjoyability in a really well-designed, greatly maintained, fantastic sedan. It's got seating for 5, and having driven in many Honda Accords before, I can tell you could seat comfortably 5 people without a problem. This car has the paddle shifters. It has a very nice little infotainment system. It's the automatic transmission. You have the heated seats. You have your climate control. This is a great little car. And I think what I like specifically about it is that it is going to last you for a very long time. Honda makes a great car. At 12,000 miles, you're going to get a car that's going to last you for many, many years. Change the oil, and that's really all you have to do to these things. This is, like I said, the 2017. It's quick enough to get out of its own way. It gives you confidence when you're on the road. It's big enough where you don't feel like you're driving in a roller skate. And it's a Honda. Honda's reliability is exceptional, and it's quiet in here. You know, it's a very quiet car. It's very easy to drive. The seats are well bolstered, especially with it being the Sport Edition. It doesn't wander on the road. It keeps up to speed just perfectly. We'll do a quick little pass here. Wow, that's really nice. This is just exactly what you want. You know, this is really a millionaire car, and people laugh when I say that, but it's the truth. If you look online, there's 3 cars specifically that are mentioned that most millionaires drive, and usually number 1 is this, the Honda Accord. Now this is the sport version. I love the idea of the sport. Like I said, the paddle shifters, nice solid brakes on it. It corners very nicely. Has a little bit of understeer, obviously, because it's a front wheel drive. It's super nice. The gas mileage on these things is right here. Makes it so much fun to know that you could kind of have a little bit more fun in this car and not have to worry about, you know, gas prices. You put in 87 octane every time you fill up, and you get this type of performance out of it. Look how nice. It handles so incredibly well. What I love about it is it's really quiet inside. You can't really hear the engine revving. It's just very comfortable. This says quiet comfort. You don't need a $100,000 car to get what this car gives you. This car is certainly worth it. Recommend it highly. You know, for it being so low on the mileage, it's only 12,000 miles. What can you say about it other than it's pretty impressive? You get your cruise control, you get all your sources on your infotainment over here. Your infotainment is up there, nice and far away. You can see everything in this car. It's so well laid out. Ergonomically, it's super comfortable. How's it handle the bumps? Not bad at all. That's really comfortable. You know, I'm a huge proponent of cars that last, and this is going to last, and I keep saying it during this video, but it is. It's going to last you quite a long time. And with only 12,000 miles, it is essentially a brand new car. The interior is spotless. The seats are in great shape. They have this beautiful leather, which I showed you earlier in the video. Unbelievable. Look, if you're interested in buying this car, reach out to the folks at the Highline Group. Let them know that the AutoHound sent you. Also, if you like this type of content, please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. And remember, it's about the drive.